यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta Paribhasha, which is Sukhacharya ji's Mithyatva Lakshana, we saw what is the Lakshana?
स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमत यावन्निष्ठ अत्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम्।
प्रतियोगित्वम्। स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमत यावन्निष्ठ अत्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम् मिथ्यात्व. And you will notice that this Lakshana, he gave it in the shloka form also. Sarveshameva bhavanam swashrayatvena sammate pratiyogitvam atyanta bhavam pratim rashatvata. Now we proceed further, page number 99. टीका एवं प्राचीनोक्तम अनुमान प्रयोगम उपपाद्य नवीनोक्तम अनुमान प्रयोगम आह. प्राचीन Vedantin, in this way, the Mithyatva Lakshana, actually that Mithyatva Lakshana is similar to what was given by Vivaranacharya, but it is not same. There is slight difference. Vivaranacharya's Mithyatva Lakshana, प्रतिपन्नोपाधौ त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगित्व. And here स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमत यावन्निष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्व. So some part is similar. Based on that, we can say this is Prachina Uktam. Prachina Acharya. Navina Uktam is his own Chitsukacharyaji's Anumanam. Chitsukacharyaji has given one Mithyatva Lakshana. Now he gives Mithyatva Anumanam. Yadva Ayam Pata Etat Tantu Nishtha Atyanta Bhav Pratiyogi Patatvat Patantaravat. You have to memorize this Anumanam. Ayam Pata Etat Tantu Nishtha Atyanta Bhav Pratiyogi Patatvat Patantaravat. Ityadi Anumanam Mithyatve Pramanam. This Anumanam is Pramanam for Mithyatva. In other words, this Anumanam also does Siddhi of Mithyatva. Drishtanta is very beautiful. Ayam Pataha. This I have mentioned earlier, I think, in some class. Ayam Pataha. This is Pata. Pata is, where is Pata?
In Tantu.
In Tantu.
Not in my hand. Tantu. Etat Tantu Nishtha. In this, Etat Tantu Nishtha. Ayam Pata is said, so we are not talking about Pata in general. Only Ayam Pata. Ayam Pata hai Etat Tantu Nishtha. It is in these Tantus here. Okay. Etat Tantu Nishtha. अयम पटः एतत् तन्तुनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. In this tantu there is atyantabhava. Pata is atyantabhava pratiyogi, means patasya etat tantau atyantabhava. Pata is atyantabhava pratiyogi, so pata has atyantabhava in this tantu. Means in this tantu pata is not there in 3 periods of time. Traikalika atyantabhava. Paksha is ayam patah. Sadhya is
एतत् तन्तुनिष्ठ अत्यन्ताभाव
atyantabhava pratiyogi. That is sadhya. Patatva is the hetu. Because it is pata. Now you see here, ayam pata is paksha. Patatva is sadhya. So, ayam pata will have ayam patatva. It will have patatva. But it is more specific. So, pata will have patatva because we want in paksha hetu to be there. In drashtanta, what is the drashtanta? Patantara. This anya pata is the drashtanta. This pata is the drashtanta. Patantara etat tantunishtha atyantabhav pratiyogi is this pata. This pata is absent in this tantu. And this pata has patatva. So drishtanta has hetu, patatva. Drishtanta has sadhya. Etat tantunishtha atyantabhava pratiyogitva. This pata in that tantu, this pata is absent. The other pata, any other pata, the pata that you are wearing, he, she, anybody who is wearing, all those patas, their atyantabhava is in this tantu. There is no debate. Everybody accepts that in this tantu there is atyantabhava of all pata. About that, drashtanta can be there. It is siddha sadhana because everybody accepts it. It is sapaksha. Only doubt is whether this pata is there in this tantu or not. If we can prove this pata is also not there in this tantu, then that pata will become mithya. And these tantus are taken because swashrayana abhimata, patasya ashrayatvena abhimata. Because these tantus are not taken as swashrayana abhimata for this pata. Understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody?
Yes, yes, Swamiji.
Yes, ma'am.
So only this pata is thought of as existing in this tantu. Other pata is not, by mistake also we never think is existing in this tantu. So that problem we don't have. Only this pata we think is existing in those tantus. So that is taken as the discussion for Anumanam. Ayam pata etat tantunishtha atyantabhava pratiyogi patatvat. Patantarvat. Vyapti will be
यत्र यत्र पटत्वं तत्र तत्र एतत् तन्तुनिष्ठ अत्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगी.
yatra yatra patatvam tatra tatra etat tantunishtha atyantabhava pratiyogitvam. So there is patatvam here, and therefore etat tantunishtha एतत् तन्तु, these tantu, etat tantu nishtha atyantavav pratiyogitvam. What is the use of having this anumanam? Tell me. What is the use of knowing this?
In Adhisthana Brahma, Jagat is Mithya.
In Adhisthana Brahma, Jagat is Mithya. Any other? There can be multiple answers. Huh? Not necessary only one answer. So it's good to think.
Where I am experiencing, there that thing is not there. In
Yes.
Ashraya, if in Ashraya, when something is not available, then it becomes Mithya.
In Ashraya, something is not available, then it becomes Mithya. In Bhutala, Ghata is not available.
Atyanta, here it is given as Atyanta Bhava. So in all three periods of time. Bhutala, Ghata need not be available, but it will be available at some period of time.
Vishaya is not different from its Karana.
Okay, Vishaya is not different from it.
Karya is mithya comparing to the karana.
Okay, so at least few ideas you have heard. So the mukhya is Vyavaharik Prapancha is Mithya. That is the mukhya Pratipadana. Secondary is there where through Pratyaksha Pramana, I think there is something. Like Pratyaksha Pramana will show Pata is existing. And this Anumanam will do Badha of Pratyaksha. So here, Anumanam is Prabala. Because Purvapaksha will be, maybe it is given here, it is given in Chitsuki, but I see Pata. So, Pramanantarena Virodha is there. Like how you do the Anumanam, Vannihi Anushnaha, Dravyatvat Jalavat. That Anumanam is Badhita by Pratyaksha. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Because Vanni is Ushna. So you say Pratyaksha is right, Anumanam is wrong. So here, your Anumanam says Pata is Mithya. Pratyaksha says, means Pata's Traikalika Atyanta Bhava. When we say Mithya means, there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Pata. Anumana has done that Siddhi. Pratyaksha says there is Pata. Now which Pramana you will take?
Pratyaksha.
So if you follow how you did in case of the Vannir Anushnaha, your Anumanam will become invalid. So we have to, let's see in Tika if they have explained anything. Otherwise, I have Chitsuki also here. We will try to see something from there. Application of this is there where Ahankara is appearing. is aham. There itself, it's Traikalika Atyanta Bhava, I have to know. Whatever is true for Jagat in Tatpada, all of that is true for Ahankara in Tvampada. Whatever is true for Jagat in Tatpada, all of that is true for Ahankara in Tvampada. So Jagat Utpatti is through Mula Vidya. Ahankar Utpatti is also through Mula Vidya. Jagat Adhisthana is Brahma Chaitanya. Ahankar Adhishthanam is also Brahma Chaitanya. If Jagat is Mithya, Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Jagat.
Sorry, Swamiji, we lost you. Jagat Mithyata, you started and we lost you.
No, Swamiji, it's clear.
No, it is
I
not
will
clear.
tell. Whatever is true for Jagat in Tatpada is true for Ahankara in Tvampada. So Jagat is Mula Vidya Karya. Ahankara is also Mula Vidya Karya. In Brahma Adhisthana, there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Jagat. Then in this I should recognize. Did you hear that sentence?
No, Swamiji.
If there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Jagat in Brahma, then there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Ahankara in Chaitanya. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
So this is what I should understand. This individual, the one who feels, I get hurt, I get this feeling, that feeling, I'm insecure, I have shoka, moha, bhaya. This ahankara itself is questioned. Like, how do we say, oh, pata is not clear, pata is new, pata is dirty, pata is this, that, everything about pata. Which pata? Pata whose atyanta bhava is being established. So this is the mukhya application. And if pratyakshena badha happens of this anumanam, how will we protect that? Through shruti. If pratyaksha says jagat is there, where is Traikalika Atyanta? So then we will say, no, there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava according to shruti. So anumanam will use shruti. Now here you can apply that lakshana. Why do we want to prove Jagat Mithya? The paksha is pataha. I am pataha. In this way, we can take each object. Ayam pataha, ayam ghataha, ayam vrikshaha. Every object you take. Idam pushpam. That is the anumanam he writes in the form of shloka. There is one correction in the shloka. Amshinaha swamsha ga tyanta bhava sya pratiyoginaha. Not ma, ga. Amshinaha swamsha ga tyanta
अंशिनः स्वां शगात्यन्ता
bhavasya pratiyoginaha.
भावस्य प्रतियोगिनः
Amshittvaditaram shiva
अंशित्वादितरां शिव
digeshaiva gunadishu.
दिगेशैव गुणादिषु अंशिनः स्वां शगत्यन्ता
Swamshagatyanta.
अंशिनः स्वां शगात्यन्ता भावस्य प्रतियोगिनः अंशित्वादितरां शिव दिगेशैव गुणादिषु
Amshinaha. Instead of pataha, he makes it general now. Any amshi. Amshaha yasya santi iti amshi. The one who has amshas is called amshi. So pata is amshi. Amshas will be tantu. Ghata is amshi. Kapalas or kapalika will be amsha. Amshinaha swamshaga atyanta bhavasya pratiyoginaha. Swamshaga means swa amsheshu. In swamshaga means in its amsha. Its own amsha. Swamshaga, swasya amshaga, atyanta bhavasya pratiyoginaha. This is in Shashti. In the Anumanam, it is in Prathama. Here it is given Shashti. Amshinaha swamshaga atyanta bhavasya pratiyoginaha. Amshitvat itaram shiva. Amshitvat. What is amshitvat?
हेतु
Hetu. And itaram shiva, instead of patantara, he says itaram shi.
Swamiji, there is no two das. Itaram Shiva Dige Shaiva.
No, itaran shiva. That is up to that only you see. Don't see further. Amshitvat itaran shiva. Anumanam is only up to here. So itaram shiva, itara amshi is the drishtanta. Iva is for what? Patantara what? So amshinaha swamshaga atyanta bhavasya pratiyoginaha. Amshitvat itaram shiva. Up to this is the Anumanam, because you have Paksha, you have Sadhya, you have Hetu, you have Drishtanta. All four are there up to this. Then Dik. Dik means this is the direction, this is the indication. Esha eva gunadishu. This Anumanam you have done for Dravya. He says similar Anumanam you can do for Guna, Kriya, everything, not only for Dravya. So your doubt is clear of something you mentioned.
Itaramshi, what is there, Swamiji?
Itaranchi what?
Yes, Swamiji.
No, not if. Itaranchi Iva. Iva is there. Why you need what? Anshitvad Itaranchi Va. Takara, if it is there, you remove it. Where? In Kailash Ashram book.
Yes, Swamiji.
That is wrong. Dik Esha Eva Gunadish. Now you see Tika. Second line. Tadatmya sambandhena ekavachchedena iti api drashtavyam. Tadatmya sambandhena ekavachchedena. Ekavachchedena, like how we saw in the previous Anumanam, that Kapi Sanyoga, if it is there in Shakha avachchedena, but Mula avachchedena, Kapi Sanyoga abhav is there. So if you say there is Siddha Sadhanam or Arthantara, in the previous Anumanam, what is the Arthantaram? Either you say we are proving Kevalanvaitvam of the Sanyoga Abhava, or the Avyapya Vritti. Sanyoga is Avyapya Vritti. So that will be Arthantara Siddhi. That's why he says, Tadatmya sambandhena ekavachchedena iti api drashtavyam. Tatha cha purvavan na arthantarata. Then, like above, previous drishtanta, arthantara dosha also will not come. Ekavachcheda, not Mulavachchedena and Shakhavachchedena. In this way, two different avachcheda you don't take. Same avachcheda. Evam, and he says Tadatmya sambandhena. Why he didn't say Samvaya sambandhena?
Because when says Samvaya Sambandha, there are two things and here, but in Tadatmya Sambandha, actually there are only one thing, but they are seems to two things. This is to two things.
Samavaya Sambandha, there's Vyapya Vritti.
Because Vedanta doesn't accept Samvaya Sambandha. This Vedanta is Anumanam. Why would we use Samvaya Sambandha? This came earlier. When we did Khandanam of Samvaya, at that time, we said we will say only Tadatmya Sambandha. We will not use Samvaya Sambandha because we don't accept Samvaya Sambandha. We don't accept Kevalanvaitvam. We don't accept so many things are Nitya. All those things we discussed this earlier. So that's why we don't have any Sambandha called Samvaya in Vedanta. So that's why Tadatmya Sambandha he gives. Every word has a meaning, there is a reason. This Vedanta Paribhasha, if you study more and well, you will get lot of insights. And in particular, the Proud Granthas, you will prepare yourself well. एवं व्यधिकरण धर्मानवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताकत्वम अत्यंताभाव विशेषणम देयम तेन तमादाय नार्थांतरम. But this does not mean you hesitate to answer questions. You have to act as if this is Gurukula, and if you don't know, you don't know, you will learn. Don't hesitate that I will not answer any question, because if I answer, then if I am wrong, then what? Then what is there? That is why you are studying. एवं व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताकत्वम अत्यंताभाव विशेषणम देय तेन तमादाय नार्थांतरम. एवं इन द सेम वे दिस अनदर विशेषण ऑल्सो यू कैन गिव. व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न. व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न. This topic we have discussed before. व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न मीन्स, व्यधिकरण धर्म अवच्छिन्नत्व मीन्स in घट there is घटत्व, in पट there is पटत्व. This is समानाधिकरण. What is व्यधिकरण धर्म अवच्छिन्नत्व? In घट पटत्वेन घटो नास्ति. और इन कपाल यू से पटत्वेन घटो नास्ति. इन तंतु घटत्वेन पटो नास्ति. दिस इज व्यधिकरण धर्म अवच्छिन्नत्व. तो पटत्वेन घटो you will not find anywhere. घटत्वेन पट you will not find anywhere. So if Siddhant is doing anumanam, atra pato nasti. So he says yes, घटत्वेन पटो नास्ति. This is siddha sadhanam, or this is some arthantaram. So we say no, we are not saying atra patattvena ghato nasti or ghatattvena pato nasti. Atra patattvena pato nasti. So व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता अत्यंताभाव विशेषण, और दिस विल बिकम विशेषण फॉर अत्यंताभाव. सो एतत् तंतुनिष्ठ व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताकत्व अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगिता. दिस विल बिकम साध्य, एंड दैट टू ऑल्सो तादात्म्य संबंधेन एकावच्छेदेन. दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू ऐड. तेन तमादा. सो अंडरस्टूड ऑल दिस. तादात्म्य संबंध इज देयर बिकॉज वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट समवाय. एकावच्छेदेन, सो दैट दिस मूलावच्छेदेन शाखावच्छेदेन दैट इज एलिमिनेटेड. व्यधिकरण धर्म अनवच्छिन्न मीन्स पटत्वेन घटाभाव, घटत्वेन पटाभाव. दिस इज नॉट व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूव. वी आर सेइंग पटत्वेन पटाभाव, एंड दैट टू तादात्म्य संबंधेन. तादात्म्य संबंधेन मीन्स इफ द पूर्व पक्षी वांट्स टू नो, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज तादात्म्य, they say what you think as samavaya sambandha, in that way it is not there. तथा एतद् दोषवारणाय एतत्कालीनत्वम इति तद विशेषणम देय. And then somebody may say, in tantu pata is not there before pata came into being, when there was pata praga bhava. So in that case atyanta bhava, if somebody accepts that at that time there was atyanta bhava in tantu, then there is pata utpatti. So he says no, etat kalinatva. And right now when the in tantu, right now when you see pata, at that time pata is not there. So he adds each criteria so that somebody doesn't say, oh yeah, I know pata was not there before, therefore it is okay. or in some ekadesha of tantu pata is not there. No ekadesha. तादात्म्य संबंधेन एक अवच्छेदेन. There where you see, there itself it is not. Now the बाधा comes. न च एतत् तंतुषु पट समवाय इति प्रत्यक्ष बाधा इति वाच्यम्. You say there is प्रत्यक्ष बाधा. In this tantu, pata is there with samvaya sambandha. Why do you say it is not there? You are doing this anumanam. Iti pratyaksha badha. Iti nacha vachya. Siddhanti says, no, you should not say that. Why? Because pratyakshasya brahma prama sadharanataya chandra pradeshikatva pratyevat अप्रामाण्य शंका आस्कंदितत्वेन बाधितत्वात्. प्रत्यक्ष इज ब्रह्म प्रमा साधारण. ब्रह्म प्रमा साधारण मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष कैन गिव ब्रह्म ज्ञानम ऑल्सो, प्रत्यक्ष कैन गिव प्रमा ऑल्सो, प्रत्यक्ष कैन गिव बोथ. In Brahma, there will be adhisthana amsha pratyaksha. And the Bhranti Vishaya will be anirvachaniya. But Brahma Prama sadharanataya. Chandra pradeshikatva. What is pradeshikatva? Huh? Pradeshikatva means Angushtha Tarjani, this distance between Angushtha and Tarjani for Pradesh. So I see Chandrama is only this much. Chandra Pradeshikatva Pratyavat Apramanya Shanka Askanditattvena Badhita. So Pratyaksha is Badhita. In case of Chandrama, Pratyaksha looks only this much, but Shruti Pramana says, Jyotishya Shastra says, it is not true. So like that here also we will use Shruti Pramana and we will say Nehana Nasti Kinchana और जगत मिथ्यात्व. न निरोधो न चोत्पत्ति इत्यादि बाधितत्वात्. अत्रापि चित् सुखाचार्य सम्मतिम आह. Here also, so now before we see that, now we can see 1 number tippani. पटमात्रम पक्षीकृत्य एतत् तंतुनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. So this atrapi chit sukhacarya sammatim aha taduktam, we have already read that, right? So shloka we have already done. Now only that, let us finish that. Dig esha eva marga. Dig means this is a disha. How we proved mithyatva for dravya, like that we have to prove mithyatva for guna, kriya, jati, everything. So guna, kriya you can do. Rupam, he gives for guna. Rupam, रूपी निष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी गुणत्वात् स्पर्शवत्. रूपम रूपी निष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी. रूपम is in रूपी. In रूपी, that रूपम is only pratitika, only pratiti matra is there. Otherwise atyanta bhav pratyogi. Gunatvat, rupa is guna. Gunatvam is there in sparsha also, drashtanta. And sparsha, its atyanta bhav is there in rupi. Rupi nishtha atyanta bhav pratyogitvam is there in sparsha. Because in rupi, rupa will be there. So So sparsha atyanta bhava is like that. Guna, any guna, it's atyanta bhava. Rupa is atyanta bhava in rupi. Sparsha is atyanta bhava in sparshi. Shabda is atyanta bhava in shabdi. Like that. Iti evam kriyadishu api uhaniyam. And in kriya also you have to apply this. What is the difference between this anumanam and the anumanam of Advaita Siddhi? Or you think and tell me in the following session. Okay, we'll do tippani. पटमात्रं पक्षीकृत्य एतत्तन्तुनिष्ठ अत्यन्ताभाव प्रतियोगित्वे अर्थान्तरता स्यात्. पटान्तरस्य एतत्तन्तुनिष्ठत्व अभावात् इति हेतोः अयम् इति पक्षविशेषणम्. If you do pata matra paksha, instead of saying ayam patah, you just say pata. Then एतत् तंतुनिष्ठ अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगित्वे अर्थांतरता स्यात्. अर्थांतर मीन्स some other pata is already absent here. पटांतरस्य एतत् तंतुनिष्ठत्व अभावात्. Patantara is already absent here. So we say siddha sadhanam. I already know this. Why you have to do anumanam? Iti hetoho ayam iti paksha visheshanam. So this paksha has ayam pataha. Ayam is the visheshanam. तंतुनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी इति उक्ते एतत् पटस्यापि तंतुअंतरनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वेन. You should notice another thing. To study Vedanta Paribhasha, you may come with little bit of Nyaya, etc. But to teach Vedanta Paribhasha, you should have studied some Panchapadika, some Chitsukhi. There is no some Chitsukhi. You have to study Chitsukhi. You have to study Advaita Siddhi, everything. Otherwise, all these anumanams, you cannot apply properly. Tantunishtha atyanta bhava pratiyogi. Instead of saying etat tantunishtha atyanta bhava, if you just say tantunishtha, then etat patasyapi tantu antarnishtha atyanta bhava pratiyogitvena. Etat pata is absent in the other tantu. You are just saying this pata is absent in tantu. Oh, okay. This pata is absent in some other tantu. That you can say. This pata is absent in this tantu. That is another arthantara. Earlier, if we say pata is absent in this tantu, we say yes, this pata is absent in this tantu. That is also arthantara. That's why ayam pata and etat tantu nishtha. Means how much they have to think to come out with a precise vakya. तंतुअंतर निष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्वेन पुनः अर्थांतरता इति एतद इति साध्य विशेषणम. सो इन साध्य विशेषण इज गिवन एतद. इन पक्ष व्हाट इज द विशेषणम?
अयम.
अयम. तंतुः पटो न इति अन्योन्य भावेन सिद्ध साधन वारणाय. तंतुः पटो न. Somebody says yes, I agree. If you just say only ayam pataha etat tantunishtha abhava pratiyogi, so you say yes, anyonya bhava pratiyogi, because tantu is not pata. So you say no, not anyonya bhava. Then siddha sadhana. Therefore atyanta bhava, atyanta padam. तार्किकाणाम एषा प्रणाली दृष्टान्ते साध्य हेतुर व्यापक व्याप्य भाव गृहीतौ चेत. और तार्किक प्रणाली how Nayayikas, when they do the Anumanam, in Drashtanta, Sadhya and Hetu both have to be there. Drashtante Sadhya Hetuoho Vyapaka Vyapya Bhavau Grihitau. In Drashtanta, Sadhya Hetu both have to be there. Sadhya will be Vyapaka, Hetu will be Sadhya. All this has to exist. Grihitau Chet. Then when in Paksha, Pakshe Sandigdha Sadhye, in Paksha Sandigdha Sadhya will be there. Sandigdha Sadhyavan, huh? Sandigdha Sadhyavan Paksha. And what is the Lakshana for Pakshata? Another Lakshana?
शिषादैषा विरह विशिष्ट सिद्ध्यभावः
Sishadhaisha Viraha Vishishta Siddhi Abhavaha Pakshata. So here you can see Sishadhaisha is there, desire to do Anumanam. Even if somebody says through Shruti, Mithyatva is known, I have done Shravanam, but I want to do Mananam. For Mananam I am going to use Anumanam, Yukti. So Sishadhaisha is there, Siddhi is there. Sishadhaisha is there, Siddhi is there. Pakshata will be there or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
You have to apply everything. Not that I studied in Tarka Sangra class only. You can use it here. Sishadhaisha Viraha Siddhi Abhava is Pakshata. So that is there. So Pakshe Sandigdha Sadhye Hetum Drashtva Sadhyam Anumeyam. When you see Hetu, then Sadhya Anumanam you can do. व्याप्यारोपेण व्यापक आरोप तर्क इति तेषाम अभिमान. दिस पार्ट वी विल सी इन द फॉलोइंग सेशन. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Tomorrow I will try to complete this Anumanam, okay? So whatever is remaining, so even if it takes a little longer, just have patience tomorrow.
हरि ओम साहब.